If someone told you there's a simple drink that can help unclog your arteries, improve blood flow, and even make your arteries act decades younger, would you believe it? Today, we're talking about exactly that, and why so many people never hear this from their doctor. Because here's the thing, doctors usually treat your symptoms, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, but they rarely address the root cause. And one of the biggest root causes behind heart attacks and arterial plaque is something most people don't even know exists: endothelial damage. Inside every artery is a tiny, one-cell thick layer called the endothelial layer. When that layer gets damaged, it sets off a chain reaction. Inflammation shows up, your body tries to patch it, and plaque begins forming from calcium, cholesterol, and protein. That plaque isn't random. It's a repair job your body is forced to make. But here's where it gets even more interesting. When this damage happens, your nitric oxide drops. Nitric oxide is what helps relax your arteries, keep blood flowing smoothly, and prevent clots. And since 90% of heart attacks involve clots, losing nitric oxide becomes a massive problem. Less nitric oxide means stiffer arteries, higher blood pressure, more inflammation. The whole cycle spirals. And yet natural ways to boost nitric oxide are everywhere. Sunlight raises it, infrared boosts it. Breathing through your nose increases it. Magnesium supports it. Fasting and exercise enhance it. But now for the drink you came here for. The one that behaves almost like exercise in a cup. Mix cacao in warm water, not boiling. Add beetroot powder and sea salt. Take it 2 hours before or after coffee so the caffeine doesn't block nitric oxide. Studies show cacao increases vasodilation, improves blood flow, reverses arterial stiffness, and over just 14 days can make arteries behave like those of someone 20 to 30 years younger. And the effects build over time. Add a scoop of beetroot powder and you double the nitric oxide support. If you found this helpful, tap like so more people can see it and subscribe for more life-changing health tips.